Hi guys, and thank you for joining us here at Black Stag Styling for another one of our styling videos. Always a pleasure to have you along to check out what we've been up to here at Black Stag Styling. On this occasion we have in with us another Ford Ranger Stormtrak in the red. As you all know from the channel, and if you haven't seen before, we've done a few of the Ford Ranger Stormtraks with all sorts of things from the ultra wide arches, lift kits, all sorts of things. So they're on the channel as well, so you can always check them out. This occasion we've got one in with us for some other styling bits and pieces. So on this one we are doing a new set of alloy wheels. So we've got Predator Panthera 20-inch black alloy wheels with some Toyo tyres to go on. That's going to look really cool, make a big difference, the wheels and tyres do. We've also got brake calipers going in gold, so it's only the front calipers, so something a little bit different there. So gold front calipers. We've got a black front city bar to go on below the front bumper. We've then got our 75mm wide arch kit to go on. On this occasion, normally they're matte black with the little bolts. We're taking the bolts out and we are colour coding them to the Stormtrak red, and then putting the bolts back in and putting them all onto the vehicle. So that's going to look really cool on this particular truck. We've also got the rear Ford badge is going to be removed and done in matte black, and then we have the wing mirror indicators. They're going to be removed and then wrapped in a dark tint film, just to add that little styling extra touch. So it's going to look really smart, this one. Stay tuned for this one. Keep up to date with everything we do. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to get this into the workshop now, so roll the intros. We'll catch you in a mo. Here we go. So we have another Ford Ranger Stormtrak in today. Quite a few bits going on. So we've got the 75mm wheel arches, where we've got to remove all the bolt heads and body colour these into the red to match the truck, and then they'll be bonded and fitted. Also got the Predator lower front bar there to be fitted. Make it look a little bit lower and nice on the front end there. A little bit of front protection. Yeah, that's it. Baby. And then we have these 20-inch, should we 20-inch? 20-inch Predator wheels going on with Toyo All-Terrain tyres to be fit as well. Yeah, nice there, aren't they? Yeah, they are nice. Got to remove the original TPS sensors, fit them in these. They'll work with the vehicle, as they should. Lovely. With the Toyo tyres, I think you just said that. Toyo All-Terrain tyres, yeah. Got no air in at the minute. They'll be alright with air in. Oh. A few bits on the trucks. We're doing gold front calipers. Bit gold for the price of silver. Well, silver the same price, to be honest, but they're doing gold. And then we are smoking these little bad boy indicators out. Smoking. Nice little tint over those to sort of hide them. They are quite bright and stand out at the minute, the white, aren't they? Yeah, man, look better with the dark tint on. Yeah, that's it. And then to the rear of the truck, we are also removing the rear badge and painting it matte black. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Look good. And I think that's about a lot, really. Yeah, I think that's everything, mate. That's enough. That's enough for now. I don't know more on it yet. Yeah, don't overwhelm ourselves. Yeah. We'll just go with that. But yeah. Lovely time. We'll crack on. Right, the guys are cracking into this nicely. Just getting the front bar on it, we lads. Yeah, baby. Super. This is Steve, lad. So Steve's our new member of the Black Stag team. Anything you'd like to tell everyone, Steve?
We're all a bit mad here. Yeah, that is very true. That is very true.
To be honest with you.
There we go. They're getting the spoiler bar all lined up and bolted on in a gloss black. Go with the lower gloss black panel nicely. Steve's already been on it with the wheels, so we've got one of the new wheels with the Toyo Open Country tyre on. He's already swapped the TPMS valves over in a couple of the wheels. There we go, getting the L bar on nicely. Right, here we are, over with Steve. Give us a little wave, Steve, and give us a little wave. Here he is, look. So Steve is now prepping the 75mm wheel arches. He's got all the bolts out from the wheel arches. Now prepping them with a little bit of grey scotch. Get them all ready for froissoir to get some colour onto them. They'll be re-primered, plastic primered, and then of course painted to match this lovely Stormtrak. What else are we going to be doing? Brake calipers very soon. Steve will be onto that as well. There we go. That's them with no paint on. They're nice and new, so nice bit of prep. We'll see if we get them all painted. We've got the bar on. Excuse me, Steve. Sorry, mate. There we go. Bar's all on. Looking all smart. And then over to the side here, Ad and Tommy are just working on another Ranger Limited. This one. This is in to have our Miltech sound generator system all fitted to give it that lovely exhaust note. So I've got some other videos on the channel with exactly that Miltech system. Check them out. I'll put the link above now. And we'll leave Steve cracking on with doing the wheel arches. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Bye, Steve. Right, so we're now into the spray booth where Fraser has just painted all the wheel arch sections for the Stormtrak. So these are now in the Stormtrak red with a lovely gloss lacquer over them. Of course, they still need to be polished once they're onto the vehicle because they need to be nice and stable. So you've got all the bits. There's the one with the fuel flap cutout. You've got the fuel flap over there. And like I say, with a nice gloss lacquer. This has got the park assist, so these are little front sections with the cutouts for the parking sensors. So these are now all ready to get out of the booth, and then tomorrow we'll start getting them fitted onto the vehicle. Lovely times! Right, we're now over with Steve, who's now about to get the new wheels and tyres all on. I think you've just done the old copper slip, haven't you, mate?
Yeah, all done on all four.
Superb, superb. So then the wheels won't stick to the old hubs, and Steve will be getting the bolts in and what have you in a moment. Lovely wheels these, same as we've got on our truck. So same wheels going on to another red Stormtrak. We'll wander back so we can show you the brake calipers that Steve has just finished quite a little while ago. So they're now all dry, done in gold. Look, gold brake calipers. Woo! Looking lovely. So we're getting the wheels now all on, and then we got Adam over here.
Hello, mate. I thought, to be honest, you were giving him all the credit. I thought I'd like a little bit of credit.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Mirror cover back on.
There we go. Ad's just putting the mirror covers back on.
Yeah,
We've got the tinted side repeaters in the mirrors. So Simon from Sign It Designs was here doing that. So they're both lightly tinted, just to blend them in a little bit with the old mirrors. And then this side caliper all done as well. Look. It's a bit lighter over here, so we can see this one a bit. See this one a bit better. There we go. So another one of the wheels. There we go. See a bit better this time. There we go. Same as we've got on our truck. That is on another video. Lots of styling on our one, so do check that out. I'll put the link above Ad's head. That's it, mate, just there.
Is that there?
Yeah, boy.
Don't let it fall on me.
No, I won't, mate.
so we're just going over to see Tommy and Stephen, who are just fitting the wheel arches onto the Ford Ranger Stormtrak.
Yeah, we are.
How we doing, boys?
Yeah, doing well.
Doing well.
Got the sealer on. Not the sealer, sorry, the primer. Now putting the sealer on.
Good,
This is
good.
the last one, as you can see.
I
They've all
see
gone on
already
pretty
got
nice.
already got the rest on.
So it's going to get some of this sealer on.
Save the last one till last, yeah? Good idea.
The best one till last.
The best one till last. Good idea.
Or the best one till best.
Yes, it's still the same. We'll save the last one till last. Isn't that right, Stephen?
Something like that.
Something like that, he says.
Hello. Ding dong.
So just getting the sealer on. Held on by the 3M tape, but also we like to apply a good bit of sealer as well, so they never go anywhere. You can see we've got the front one on this side. Looking very good.
We are ready for you, Alan.
All ready, are ya?
Yeah.
Go on then, let's see you stick it on. To me, to you,
Timmy?
the old Chuckle Brothers. Do look a bit like brothers.
Obviously, I'm the better looking one.
Not that obvious, not as obvious as you think, mate, that. So obviously they've pre-marked, with their little yellow markings, so they know exactly where it is going.
Timmy, a little bit, Stevie boy. Right. Are you happy?
Yeah, good on my side.
Cool. And good my side. That's good.
Lovely.
Pull that out of there.
All stuck on and then held on by screws on the bottom edge as well, so just got to put all the screws on, refit the mud flaps,
Everyone run, pull the pin.
and we're there. Also there's a
Laid out.
little piece to go over the fuel flap as well, which I'll show you in a minute when they're bombing that on. Oh yeah, all good. Well done, boys.
See you later, Alan.
See you later.
later,
Oh,
Al.
see you here. There you are. Hey, see you
Been a
later.
lovely time.
Right, we're now going to see how Alan is getting on with the old badge. He's doing the black badge to go on the back. Arches are now all on, bonded on. We've just got the wipe off the yellow marks. Do our last final touches and polishing that Tommy's doing now. We're over with Alan.
Hello, mate.
Hello, pal.
How you doing there?
All good, mate. How are you getting on?
Yeah. Show us your badge, you say?
Show us your badge.
Show us your badge. Yeah, just getting the rear badge on now. This is obviously just the back plate and the camera under there.
Yeah, man.
And then the badge to press on the front there.
Lovely.
Don't look
Quite
lovely.
smart in the matte black.
It
We'll
don't
see
look
the
lovely in
surround.
matte black.
I'm going to let you show us the badge in a moment.
Tell you, I'll just answer the phone quickly if you don't mind. Just. Good morning, Adam speaking.
Right, so Ad's done his phone call. Any pal?
I'm off the phone now, mate.
Julia's happy, isn't she?
That
She's
was-
all,
that
it's
was
all
just
sorted.
Julie, it was. Be Julie, you know?
She-
Be Julie.
She's all sorted. Let's have a
Right,
look.
so we're just, here's the
That's it,
actual
show us your
Ford badge
badge.
itself. Lovely in the
Cool,
matte
that
black,
looked good.
yeah.
Yeah, because that's sort of embossed on there. That does.
Glad you said that, because I was trying to think of the word. Yeah.
So was I, but I just beat you to
Yeah,
it,
no,
I think.
you've done well. And yeah, they are just a press on. Just like that, look.
All clipped in place.
Lovely, don't it?
Yeah, man, that looks really smart. Superbulous. We're getting there now with this one, aren't we, mate? We are getting
We're
there.
not far off now, are we?
Nearly all done.
We're not far off. We're all waiting on top.
Hello, Tommy.
Hello.
Tommy's doing the polishing of the
Yes.
wheel arches, aren't you?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Aye.
And then it'll be time for a little spruce up. A little wash and spruce up.
Like that.
Yeah, no, fold it back.
Oh, look at that sexy pose. Oh, work it, baby, work it.
Well, there we go, guys. It brings us to the end of another one of our videos here, Black Stag Styling. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching this one. It's a little bit different what we've been doing to this Stormtrak. So the other ones we've done have had the ultra wide arch kit on, but this one's gone for the 75mm arch kit, but of course we've colour coded it to the vehicle. So we took out all the little bolts, of course then prepped the arches, painted them in the Stormtrak red, and then of course have fitted them onto the vehicle. So it's been nice doing something a little bit different with one of these. It's all really because of our YouTube channel with our one on that we've done with the ultra wide arches, then of course customers ones as well. So they've really led to doing quite a few of the red Stormtraks. So anyone out there that's got a different colour Stormtrak but would like to do something similar, do give us a shout. But in the meantime, let's run through all the bits we've been doing. So as you know, we've had this in, we've stripped all the relevant bits, cracked on with test fitting the arches like I've just been saying, and then of course got the 75mm wide arch kit colour coded and painted, lacquered, everything like that. Got it onto the vehicle. It's all bonded and fitted all on properly and professionally, so that they aren't going to come away from the vehicle. We've also got our Alpha wheels as well. No, sorry, Predator wheels on this occasion. Can I get that right? Predator alloy wheels with the all-terrain tyres, Cooper AT3 tyres. So look really, really awesome, these do. So they're all onto the vehicle. We've done, of course, the brake calipers as well. So a bit different. We've done gold brake calipers, so heat-resistant paint all on them. Something a little bit different. Then on the front of the vehicle we have got our black city spoiler bar, so that's all fitted on the front. It gives a bit of extra protection, but of course at the same time adds that extra bit of style and aggressiveness to the front of the vehicle, so that looks really cool as well. Then moving down the sides of the vehicle, we've got we took the repeater or indicators out of their mirrors. Simon from Sign It Design came and wrapped them in a tinted film. We've put them all back on. So again, it just takes that white away from the indicators or repeaters on the mirrors. Makes them look a bit cooler. Then moving to the back of the truck, we took the Ford badge off like we do with loads of them, and we've done it in the matte black, and then fitted that back on. So that just adds a nice little touch to the rear of the vehicle. I think that is everything. Yeah, pretty sure it is. We're giving it a wash and a clean all to finish. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching the video. We'll give you a last look round it before we finish, of course. Do like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. Stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Hopefully enjoying the videos. Do comment down below. Let us know what you think. Follow the links. Check out the website. Social media, Instagram, Facebook. Follow us on all of that. Stay up to date with everything we're doing. We'll catch you again soon. Take care. Stay safe. There we go.